Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a moment to reflect on some remarkable events that happened on July 23rd throughout history. In 1298, the Battle of Waringen took place, a significant conflict that shaped the political landscape of the region. Fast forward to 1793, when Alexander Hamilton, a key figure in American history, was appointed as the first Secretary of the Treasury, laying the foundation for the nation's financial system. On this day in 1962, the first successful test of the Telstar satellite was conducted, marking a monumental leap in communication technology. This innovation paved the way for the interconnected world we live in today. And let's not forget Night 5, when the first ever version of the popular video game Command & Conquer was released, captivating gamers and changing the landscape of strategy games forever. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this glimpse into history, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more fascinating stories. See you next time!